Good morning, Andrew. This is Richard here at Tameron Honda. First and foremost, I want to thank you so much for your online inquiry on our brand new 2018 Honda Civic LX. I've got the Lunar Silver right here on the showroom floor. I can't wait to show you all the different features. It's going to come standard with backup camera, Bluetooth so you can pair your phone. It's got the brake hold, electric parking brake. Also, it has LED daytime running lights, but more importantly, I can't wait to show you these features in person. So give me a call, 205-541-2862, so I can set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I'll have the car pulled up, gassed up, ready for you to take it for a spin. Make sure you love everything about it. Again, I'm Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-541-2862. I can promise you one thing when you get to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.